Hi, welcome to the Fit Club. We are so glad that you're here. Chances are you have purchased the Beachbody On Demand All Access Pass and you're joining us for a walkthrough, a lifestyle change for the next year. And we are just so excited to wrap our arms around you. I'm going to give you a quick tour of what you're going to see when you log into Beachbody On Demand. There's a couple of ways to get there. The way I always do it is I go right up here to the browser bar and I just type in Beachbody On Demand. A screen will come up and you'll sign in. You'll sign in with the name that you use when you purchase the challenge pack. And there's a couple of ways to get to your content. Just for giggles, we're going to pretend that you're doing the program Country Heat, okay? You can click on programs. You can click on by type, by trainer, member library. So let's just click on member library. Bear with my computer, it's a little bit slow. Once you get to member library, you're going to scroll down. You'll see purchase programs. And if it's all accessed, everything should show up here. But you're going to click on Country Heat. Let's get started. Now, what I want to bring your attention to is the fact that it's going to give you some descriptions of what this program is. It's a great beginner program. Your program details are going to be over here on the left-hand side. And you'll notice each one has a drop-down box. So within Country Swing, there's a breakdown. That's where they show you the moves and then the actual workout. But where I want you to start, listen closely, this is key because this can really kind of derail your experience to start off with. You want to be on the right-hand side over here. The first thing you want to do is to click on the button that says calendar, okay? You need to be on your laptop instead of an iPad or an iPhone or your TV. So your laptop or anything that can print. You want to pull up the calendar. And this Country Heat, for example, is a 30-day calendar, and you want to go ahead and print that off because this is going to tell you the sequence of workouts. So, for example, the workout on day 1 is Country Swing. The workout on day 3 is Giddy Up, et cetera, et cetera. So that's that. Now, when you're doing a workout program, each program is designed to have a specific eating plan. So if you click on the eating plan, you're going to find a little PDF. It's normally comes in a booklet, but you can print this off or just save it to your desktop. This one's called Country Eat. It's an eating plan. Now, in your kit, you got these cute little color-coded containers. These containers are going to work for every single meal plan and program that Beachbody provides. So they started off with 21-day fix. We have found that the results have been so consistent. It's a great way to get started. It's a great way to maintain. So this is going to walk you through how to get started. It's going to tell you a little bit about the containers. But the first thing you want to do is to scroll down to this section here where it says find the container plan that's right for you. You guys can read. I'm not going to walk you through it, but it's basically taking your starting weight, ending up down with a calorie target. Once you get into this calorie target, you're going to scroll down a little bit more and see where you fall. So for example, if your calorie target is between 1,800 and 2,099 calories, you're going to go with Plan C. What that means is that you're just going to have 5 green containers per day, 3 purple containers, which are your fruits per day, 5 proteins per day, 4 carbs per day, 1 healthy fat, 1 seed or dressing, and then 5 teaspoons. This is probably sounding overwhelming, and I get it. Don't be overwhelmed. This program is designed so that you get a wide range of nutrition. It's very self-explanatory. You need to read this guide. Do not pass go. Do not get started without reading this guide. One thing I'll point out for you is that within the container information, everything that's the highest nutrition starts at the top. You may not be a sardines fan. You may be a chicken fan. That's fine. The things at the bottom are still good nutrition. They're just not as nutritionally dense as the things at the top. So try variety, stick with things that you like to start off with, and as you grow and change, you can expand, okay? I'm gonna click out of that. You'll know where that is, and if you wanna print that out, that's also a good thing to have at your sheet, at your side. Tally sheets, this is a great way to print this off and you can keep track of the containers that you're using. The other thing you can use are the app. There's a 21-day fix app in the App Store. If you have an iPhone, there should be availability on an Android as well. So that's how you get started. Now, you've got your program, you know what's going on there. Now let's go back to Member Library. There's one final thing I want to bring your attention to. In the Member Library, you're going to find, as my computer's still thinking, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see Fixate, okay? This is amazing. And the reason I want to bring this to your attention is that this is going to tell you exactly how to get started, okay? Foundational videos. When you watch this on a TV or your iPhone, it's going to look more like a TV show, kind of like the Food Network. But particularly, I want you to come down to foundational videos and start with Containers 101, Pantry Raid, and Meal Prep. This will explain why the containers work and why it's an amazing system. After that, you can scroll through. There's categories you can look at: breakfast recipes, entree recipes, side recipes, all these fun things, Shakeology recipes. And then things that are more, that have just come out. Right now, it's about to be the Super Bowl, so there's a lot of things that are great party appetizers that are awesome for you. Okay, last but not least, before we end this little tutorial, I want to bring you to one more important website. That's the Beachbody blog. So if you just come up and you type in Beachbody blog, okay, this is a great blog. You're going to click right there. Here it comes, here it comes. Okay, tons of recipes. You've got tons of categories: fitness, nutrition, recipes, weight loss, wellness, everything from meditation to sleep, fitness. But look, if you come over to the magnifying glass, this is your search bar. Check this out. This is awesome. Let's just say you are going to have a busy week. So you're going to put in slow cooker, okay? It's going to pull up every recipe that you might need. Let's try that again. For your slow cooker. So check this out: 15 slow cooker recipes that practically make themselves. Slow cooker mushrooms, slow cooker chai apple butter, slow cooker baked apples, slow cooker beef chili. I could go on. Once you click into the recipe, it's going to have simple steps and simple ingredients on making this recipe. But I'm going to scroll all the way down for you, and I'm going to point out one more thing. After each recipe, you're going to see here the nutritional information. Keep scrolling. Then you're going to see the containers. So if you're doing a container system, when you eat one portion, for example, this chili recipe is 1 green, 1 red, 1 yellow, and half a teaspoon. This is not to overwhelm you. This is education. And the more we know, the more we grow. And this is about a lifestyle change, and we're in it together. So as you encounter challenges or obstacles or something that maybe you don't understand as well, don't worry. That's what the group is for. So lean in, trust us, link arms, and we cannot wait to see you in the group. Have a wonderful day.